What's up, man? This one's going to be short and sweet. Um, so, I get questions all the time. I am going to make an extended video. I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel, Insanely Throwed Music on YouTube. Go check it out. I'm going to put an extended cut of a video. It's going to be lesson 2 on fry screaming. I'm going to introduce false chords. But we're still on fry screaming, and I have a lot of people that ask me how they do this. You know, how do you do it without losing your voice? So I'm going to teach you a couple more techniques, but first we need to go ahead and get loose and get ready to do screaming, okay? And that has nothing to do with screaming, getting ready for it. So we need to loosen up the tension because if you are congested here, if you have tension here, if you have tension running up your neck, into your jawline, you're not going to be able to be relaxed and be able to let out the roar you need to let out, or, you know what I mean, or be able to do the song like you're going to be able to do it. So I've already done this before the video started, but go ahead and for about 30 seconds, massage your jaw, get everything relaxed. Another thing to remember, guys, is you have, okay, a lot of these techniques that I'm showing you, because we're doing fries right now, which is in your head, okay, it's not your chest voice, it's in your head voice. Your false chords, some of that, hang on, some of that is, most all of it is in your chest, but fry right now, so vocal fry, how we find that is, there's a couple different techniques. So if say you just woke up in the morning, you're tired, somebody's talking their ass off, you haven't spoke yet, you're first speaking, but when your eyes are still closed, make it grittier, that's vocal fry, just that. That is the basis of the scream right there. That is the bass that you start with. A note. We're going to combine and that's it. And there's all different ways to put your tongue. If you want to get a guttural, wrap it, put it like, it sounds like it's water going down a drain pipe. To find your scream, say, okay, you taught me about the fry and the note, I'm putting them together. How do I even know where I'm at? So, your highs are going to be like this. You're going to see something, ooh, ooh, or whoa. When you do that, ooh, that's where you're, ooh, all right, your mids is like, I guess, and then your lows are, that's how you know where your scream is. But when you're doing fry, I said something in the first video about cutting your throat off, okay? You say something. This is your larynx, okay? This is your throat, okay? This is your voice. This is your voice box, okay? Now, your false chords sit up here, okay? Your false chords are, that's going to be I'm going to teach that because false chords is a different thing. You're actually using some of your throat for that. But with fry, act like you're picking something up. That's none of my throat. Okay, so teach you one more technique before I go. I told you this wasn't gonna be a long video. One technique before I go. Blah. Everybody, it's blah. 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 Oh yeah, Insanely Throwed Music, YouTube, the other video. Bet. Thank you.